strange or mazes, and not everything is rocket science. Most of the time, there's a scientific explanation to why and how things around us happen. Hi, my name is Nathan Jacob, and I have a brain teaser for you today. We all know water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, right? What if I can tell you that it's possible at a lower temperature? In fact, we can boil water with ice. Isn't that interesting? I'm going to show you a small demo that will prove my point. For better viewing, I've added a little food coloring. What you need for this experiment is gloves, heat-resistant bottle, a pan, water and ice, and most important, it has to be done with adult supervision. Is water boiling? What actually is happening? That water is being converted from liquid to gaseous, as the molecules are far apart from each other and the bubbles come up. We now stop heating the water and the water ceased to boil. We now flip the bottle and then we put ice on top. This is the part where you need adult supervision. The water vapor is on the top and the water is below. As we put ice on the top, the water vapor condenses, reducing the vapor pressure. What we see from the experiment is although when we stop heating the water boils when we place ice on top. This shows the boiling of water not only depends on the temperature, it depends on the atmospheric pressure. In order to boil water at a lower temperature, we have to create a lower pressure environment. This lays the foundation for the Clausius-Clapeyron relation in fluid mechanics. Thank you.